Hello, I'm Bernard Hickey from interest.co.nz and welcome to the Housing Report. Today we look at the latest figures on home lending. It's worth watching these because they fired up the housing market between 2002 and 2008 when prices rose 80%. During that period, home lending was growing at almost 15%, which was much faster than the rest of the economy. We've seen a slowdown in home lending over the last couple of months. In February, home lending fell to its slowest growth rate in nearly 5 years. That was just over 12%. Clearly, the housing slump is having an effect here. The number of houses sold is dropping about 30 to 40% per month, and house prices have fallen about 4%. So that's restricting the amount of demand for home lending. But we're not seeing such a slowdown as you'd expect. Remember, the number of homes sold has dropped about 30%. But if you look at the number of home loans given out in February, it's only down about 17% on the same period a year ago. So clearly, although we're not buying as many houses, we're still taking out plenty of home loans. And you have to wonder whether some of it is home equity withdrawal, where stressed homeowners who can't afford the mortgage payments on their existing homes decide to dip into the equity to pay it back, perhaps hoping in the future that interest rates will fall or the housing market will rebound. That could be a dangerous tactic. It's very interesting to see whether high interest rates are starting to affect the demand for home loans as well. Remember, the 2-year fixed rate has risen to around about 9.7% from under 9% in the last year or so, and that must be affecting demand for home loans. I'm Bernard Hickey from interest.co.nz. That was the Housing Report.